Maui Tiki Tiki, a taringa, was a gift from Tangaroa and grandson of Mururanga Whenua. He was the brother with magical powers. He was lazy and a bit of a trickster though. Maui's brothers planned to go fishing, but did not tell Maui, as they were jealous of him and did not want him to come. So Maui hid himself in the bottom of his brother's waka.
Paddled out beyond the breakers, but Maui knew it was not the best spot for fishing. He sprang from his hiding place and ordered the surprised brothers to continue paddling.
As the brothers fell asleep, Maui paddled through the night. In the morning, the brothers were so grumpy with Maui, they would not give him any bait. So Maui struck his nose and smeared the magic jawbone hook with his own blood. Whirling his hook, out and up it crept, until it plunged into the depths of the ocean. The bone hooked onto something. Maui was not landing a fish, but fishing up land.
Te waka, kukuriri, Maui tugged, he wrenched, he heaved, he strained with every muscle in his body. Something began to stir, however. It knew the sea was its home and began to fight. Okia te ururo tuia. Maui braced himself. Hand over hand, Maui hauled in the line.
Tāinga! Whakaronga! Jamau! Tōnga tama o pawa inga ruru nei! Tōnga tuakana o Maui inga ruru nei! Ka whiua te kauai ki te moana! E whenua ke e hara i te hika! Ka huputi a Maui!
Power coursed through Maui, and the great fish ballooned to the surface. And what a fish it was! Its tail to the north and head far to the south. I must get my hook. Do not touch it. My fish is smooth and flat, and I do not want it damaged. No sooner than Maui was out of sight, the greedy brothers started to hack out their share. The great fish writhed in agony as the paddle blades cut through its flesh, and this is how the North Island came to be covered in jagged hills and valleys.